big boy. It's a nice one. Woo, woo.
Yes, it is.
Bring him in. There we go. There we go.
Fuck, Ed. Thank you. Snagged up on the line over here.
Yeah, got that one now.
Be serious about that.
Stay in there. Jesus.
Wow.
That's a good one.
Oh, good. I'm thinking we gotta cut
Is that?
this short
Yeah, that's
line
a-
here.
Big boy right there.
Here,
just get this,
do it. Oh, well, if we can get the hook out, we can do it. Man. Thank you very much, Ed.
That's worth it.
Yeah, that's worth getting snagged up about
Stay in there, stay in there. Calm down. Yeah, nice one right there.
One that doesn't have any trimming, you know?
3.6.
666.
6.8 was the highest.
Wow.
3.68.
There is none higher.
4
That's a nice
pounds.
one. Basically 4, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good on there. All right, there we go. Never fails. This little point here. Little guy, but some meat. Chill out.
You can't all be big ones, I guess. Oh, there you went.
It's the smallest Eagle Lake trout ever. Little pounder, half pounder. Shows the size of the fish. Still getting some meat in the locker. still going. Almost there. Hold on, don't touch that yet. He's all up on that. So. Here, get in. He's almost there. Right. There you go. Nice. Okay. Well, it's not a small
alive now.
It's not a small one.
No, sir.
It's a good. It's another fat one.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Not bad. No. 3 in. All right, third one of the day. I'm gonna get a weight on him. .83. Not a bad fish right there. Fat boy. Looks like we might end on 3 for today. Alright, we got one last look at the haul today. Big boy, almost a 4-pounder there. Coming down to 3 pounds, and then little minnow guy, not even, maybe a pound or so. Gonna get him filleted up, get some nice orange meat going. Not too bad for the conditions. Fire's ready to go. We got some big old tri-tips on the grill. Look at these things. That's meat right there. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna be eating good tonight. You know what I'm saying. What's going on, guys? Just wrapping up the video. You know, we got blown off the lake this past couple of days, but we made it count. We got the meat haul. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Go ahead and like the video for that. You know, orange salmon-like meat from Trout. 4 pounds was the big for this trip. 6 pounds has been the PB here at the lake. But you guys just gotta get outdoors, you know. Check it out for yourself. It's always a good time, you know. Thanks for watching. You guys gotta subscribe. Get this epic content coming at you. You guys take it easy, all right?